Hey there, it's Charles, and these will be CAS Reflections for the week of 18 to 24. So my first reflection involves creativity, and it is about all the rehearsals that's been going on for main stage. And my reflection for that is basically how important rehearsals are to the final product. First of all, of course, it's important because you get to learn your lines and everything else, but also because you get to know everybody else and you form this bond with them that is crucial in the teamwork when you're presenting on stage. And I think Mystique really understands this fact that rehearsals are a time of fun and interaction as well as working. And so she implements this whole hour of warm-ups, which makes people look forward to having rehearsals, and hence they tend to skip a lot less, because in the past the plays I've done, when it was rehearsal time, we just went into the room and we just jumped right into the lines and everything else, right? So back then, even though the teacher was a lot more strict about having people come, like she would just go crazy if somebody missed. I think in this play, a lot less people are skipping or have rehearsals as really boosts rehearsals to the top of their list of priorities, because they have something to look forward to during the day, My second reflection is on the 30-hour famine, which I will be helping to organize. And so we have started to meet, and things are going pretty well. And my reflection for that is that I am unsure about the direction of the 30-hour famine. I think it's a good idea, but people might get the wrong ideas from it. Like now it has become more of a sleepover event where you get $30 and then you get to go to the sleepover, rather than talking about the children, because in the last few years I have not participated in it, but I know that all people talk about and all the teachers talk about is about the sleepovers and having fun and everything like that. But I have never once heard them mention about where the money's going to, or how important it is to tell the people donating where the money's going to and all that stuff. It just seems more like a party now than anything else. And I mean, it's good that you're raising money for charity, but sometimes you have to think back to why you're doing it in the first place. And my third reflection also is about the 30-hour famine, but it goes beyond the 30-hour famine. It is, I've seen it a lot in student council, where, especially in the dances, and I'm talking about responsibility. And a lot of people just take what they join the group for hours, and then they just take the hours and that's it, and they become very passive. They become like just zombie followers, and the executives would give them jobs, and the executives would actually have to organize and then train them and then do everything for them. And it's very unfair for the leaders that they have such it's almost as if you're having a company and all your employees are just robots that just does everything minimally, and all they're there for is for the wages, and they never for 1 second think about the prospects of the company and what would make the company be more competitive in nature. And so one of my goals for the next few months till the end of the year is become more of a leader than a follower, and just take the initiatives, even if there's a lot of things going on in my life. I would like to eventually be the one that starts organizing an event, maybe even this year. So I'll keep you posted on that. So that's my video for today, and I'll see you next time. See ya.